Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is mail time. And I finally got to feed Tiny One. It had been raining so hard I couldn't feed her for 2 days. And I went there last night. She wasn't. She was hiding into the building. So I haven't done a mail time for a while and a little bit of a haul. So it finally stopped raining long enough for me to get to the post office and back. Okay, here's what I've got today in mail time. In this envelope is a $10 Ross gift card. So I will put that in my wallet. And continue. I'm glad to get that. And I'm having trouble with my kitchen. The sink is, the faucet is spraying water like crazy, so I got to call in tomorrow and get that fixed. All right. We have two items I bought on eBay. There's this one. You'll see that in BURGH unboxing in a few moments, and this one. And then another Ashton Drake catalog, all baby stuff except for the alien. A catalog from Harry and David. A catalog from Wine Country Gift Baskets. I've never heard of them. And an LL Bean catalog, most of which won't fit me. So, that's mail time. And now I'll show you what I got. It's kind of a little bit repetitive, but a big bottle. Get out of the bag. Big bottle of orange juice. And let's see, a can of beef stew, Vietti beef stew from Nashville, Tennessee. And I got to go to Best Buy at after 4:30. A can of diced tomatoes. And tomorrow I go shopping. And I found out you don't eat the dark red kidney beans by throwing them into something. You have to cook them. So another can of diced tomatoes. I want to make chili at the end of the month. And 2 cans of light red kidney beans. So that's my haul for today. And I hope it stays. Oh, wait a minute. There's one more. Another can of kidney beans. So, I'm hoping to have it not rain while I'm going out for the 2 hours it'll take me to go to Best Buy and come back. And we'll see what happens from there. So, that's what I got in the way of stuff. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great afternoon and evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there, people. It's treacherous out there. Bye-bye for now.